Microsoft has dropped out Xbox mode for Windows 11. But when many of us go to settings and then in the gaming section, we are not able to see the Xbox mode here. So don't worry about this. Xbox mode is already available on your PC. We just have to enable it manually. In this video, I will show you quick and simple step on how to enable Xbox mode on your Windows 11. So let's get started. On your Windows 11, just go ahead and open up Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type ViVeTool GUI. Here you will see the 5 rating for ViVeTool GUI. Go ahead and get this quick utility. This will take few seconds to install this on your PC. ViVeTool is installed. Let's go ahead and open it. Please note that ViVeTool GUI is a free, official, and secure tool. Once the ViVeTool is installed, just go to the download on the left section and here please check for updates. Please note that to enable Xbox feature we have to check for all the available updates and if there are any updates appear here, first update them. Xbox mode won't be enabled if there are any missing updates for your Xbox. Now here, please wait for everything to get updated before moving on, especially if there are any updates for the Xbox. Okay, once everything gets updated, just go ahead, open up a ViVeTool GUI. Here you will see a text field where you have to enter a code from the video description to enable Xbox. Once you have entered this code, just click the enable button. Again, click yes for the USC and in the result, if you got this confirmation message that says Windows Feature Configuration Tool successfully set feature configuration. So this means Xbox feature has been enabled for our PC, but before checking that, the important thing is we have to restart our PC. I know no one likes to restart their PC, but this is an important requirement. Get that feature enabled. So let me restart my PC here quickly. After enabling the ViVeTool IDs and restarting the PC, the game features are active. You can verify this by opening the gaming setting and checking that the Xbox game bar is working. You could press Windows plus G button on your desktop screen that will show the Xbox game bar opening on the desktop. If Xbox bar opens successfully, it means the feature components are enabled correctly. On some Windows 11 builds, the dedicated Xbox mode toggle may still not appear because Microsoft is still rolling out it gradually. Now at top right of your screen, just go to setting and here, please go ahead and click on enter Xbox mode. Now here is a quick reminder. Use Xbox mode for controller first gaming in a full screen environment. Connect a controller for best experience. That's fine. Enter Xbox mode here. That's perfect. Now we are in Xbox full screen mode. Here I could go ahead and exit out of Xbox mode as well. So that's it about today's quick and to the point video on how to enable Xbox mode. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.